Yeah, so the wood that we're using to frame our stained glass windows in, and we've been using it for years, is a white oak. It's been finished. It is 1 3/8 inches wide, and it has a 5/16 groove down the center, which is gonna help you whether you're using zinc to frame your windows in, or if you're using lead. You know, leaning windows in windows really doesn't work, because what happens is it starts to do this eventually. And you know, you can only turn them so many times before they finally just fold up and collapse. So you don't want to do that. If you'll put your work into frames and either hang it, or then you can lean it without, you know, the sides wanting to bend or anything like that, because you never know what hinge joint might fail on you. And I try to frame windows in that not only that we make, but when they come in for a repair, and this is what we're doing today. We're showing you, we've got 3 frames to build for 3 repairs. And you know what? We're gonna get started here and show you how we do this. So we've got our miter saw set up. You don't need a big miter saw like that. This is just one that I happen to get ready. I'm putting it on the truck later on today to go put a shower door. So I've cleaned my work surface off. So the first frame we need is 14.5 to the long point on the top and bottom. And it just so happens that I had a piece left over from a previous job that we'll be able to, don't waste any of this. Don't throw any of this wood away. So here we go. We're gonna start out by putting the miter on that we need first. So remember, we took our measurements to the long point, which is this point right here. So remember, to start another piece, you just turn the wood over. You don't have to flip it around or anything. Turn it over. And that changes your miter, so that now you'll have this. Okay? We'll show you how to put this all together in just a few minutes. Hey everybody, so we've got all of our wood cut for these 3 frames. So I'm going to show you one of them is right here. Now this is what happens. I'm going to show this to you horizontally, because this is what happens when it leans in the window. See that? See that fold right there? This is what happens when you just lean them in the window like this. So we're going to fix this. We're going to put it in a frame for the customer. So let me show you. Now on our Amazon shopping page, you're going to find these little miter boxes. So this is we're gonna show you this kind of, you know, make sure that nothing can happen except the fact that it's gonna be really, and we just take that and we tighten it up. Now I want y'all to keep in mind, when you're hanging a window, the screws need to go the opposite way that the hangers are. So this window is going to hang like this, up and down. So what we want to do, we're going to take our 1/8 inch drill bit, and we're going to drill a hole approximately a 1/2 inch back . Okay. And now we're going to want to use a countersink. And I just happen to have this one right here. Okay, so we want to countersink that hole and make it look nice. And then I'm using a number 6. We'll set that right there so you can see it. It's a number 6 screw, okay? Now the one thing that we want to do right here is we're going to put a little bit of glue on it. So we're going to put a little bit of glue. And a little bit of glue. And, you know, remember, when you're working with this glue, you know, if you get any that oozes out, you just take a damp cloth. You just take a damp cloth and you set that right in there like that. And there's our miter. So now we have just a really nice, clean look on that. And then we'll do the other end like so. And you can do this all at one time, but I prefer to drill the hole first and then take it back apart. For a few extra dollars, you can frame your work for your customer and you don't ever have to worry about it falling. And definitely you don't have to worry about it coming apart. I'm Ed for the Conway Glass Studios and the ARTyRV channel. Don't forget, if you have a moment and haven't subscribed to our channel yet, please do so. Give us a thumbs up if you like this video, because all of those things help our channel grow, and we appreciate everything that you guys do for us. Thank you.
Okay, 1, 2.
Hey.